Dr. Uma Maisareka, President of the Hindu Temple Society of North America. My heart is heavy this morning, having lost a great Hindu leader, a man who inspired one and all, gave his life to Hinduism, to preservation of Hinduism here in the West. And with all his efforts, much of our efforts here has been propagated, and people in India also know about him and his efforts. And we were all very lucky to have a leader like him among us. He will be very much missed. However, his thoughts and his guidance will continue to inspire us, and we hope the youngsters will continue to follow his dynamic leadership, preservation of Hinduism. May his soul rest in peace, and I take this opportunity to express my condolences to his family, friends, and the entire Hindu family. Thank you.
It is a very sad day for Indian community. We have lost one of our icons. Narayan Kataria ji was a special person with tremendous commitment to Hindu causes and was a great Indian nationalist who believed in all the causes that were dear to Indian community. He was also a special person in the sense that he didn't want to be politically correct. He told it as he saw things, as he felt. And he brought forth the plight and suffering and whatever Hindu population had gone over millennia. So he was a very loving, dear member of Hindu community, and we will miss him. It will be very difficult to fill his shoes, and I want to extend my condolences and my feeling of sorrow to his family. He is going to go straight to heaven, and may his soul rest in peace. And hopefully he'll be watching from upstairs and directing and telling his people how to lead the community. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Balaguru, and I'm very deeply saddened with Kataria ji's passing away. My words actually choke me. Kataria ji was such an inspiration to most of us, especially on the nationalistic cause. He taught us what it means to be passionate about what you have to do for the country and also for the Hindutva cause. We're going to miss him very deeply because he was always there to inspire us, encourage us, and also in terms of guidance, he was there for us. But suddenly he's taken away from us. But there's probably a greater reason for that. And we all hope that we take the message with us and go forward. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
हम सब यहाँ पे कटारियन जी को श्रद्धांजलि देने आए हैं। मैं उनको काफ़ी सालों से उनकी ईमेल पढ़ती थी और उनकी डिवोशन और डेडिकेशन टू हिंदुत्व और हिंदुइज़म के लिए इतना था कि अखीरले दिन भी सोने से पहले वो आपके पास ITV पे आए और इंटरव्यू किया, और जैसे वो गए हैं ऐसे तो हम सबकी इच्छा है कि हम सब ऐसे जाएं, रात को सोए। वो उनके कर्मों का अच्छा फल है कि बिना किसी दर्द के शांति से सोने को गए और फिर नहीं उठे। ऐसे तो हम सब चाहते हैं, पर उनसे हमारे को सबको ये प्रेरणा मिलती है कि उन्होंने जैसे अपने जीवन को बिताया हिंदुइज़म के लिए, या बिना किसी स्वार्थ के, बिना किसी रिज़ल्ट के। आज मैं कल सुरेश जानी जी, उनके अच्छे मित्र हैं, उनसे बात कर रही थी, तो उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने सब कुछ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी के लिए किया, पर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी पिछले साल भी जब आए तो नहीं मिल पाए उनको, और उससे उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा। वो अगेन जब उनको सपोर्ट चाहिए थी यूनाइटेड नेशन में जाके उन्होंने खड़े रहे उनके लिए, मोदी जी के लिए। तो उनसे हम सबको यही प्रेरणा मिलती है कि हमें निस्वार्थ काम करते रहना चाहिए, और देखो दुनिया तभी उनको इतना याद कर रही है।
नमस्कार, आज हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं कटारिया जी की को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए, और यही दुआ करते हैं कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे। और उन्होंने जो एक कार्य किया है इस कम्युनिटी के लिए, वो एक रोल मॉडल रहे हैं और लोग उनको फॉलो करें। मैं यही चाहता हूँ। नमस्ते।
नमस्कार। यहाँ पे हम सब आज इकट्ठा हुए हैं कटारिया अंकल जी को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए। उनसे मैं कुछ सालों पहले मिली थी और जिस तरह से उनके ईमेल्स वगैरह आते थे हिंदुइज़्म पे, जिस तरह से वो अपने विचार हमारे सामने रखते थे, हमको बहुत ही प्रेरणा मिलती थी, स्पेशली फॉर द यंगर जनरेशन। ही हैज़ लेफ्ट अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस। उनके जैसे लोग हमेशा याद रहते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग जो अच्छे प्रिंसिपल्स जो छोड़ के जाते हैं वो हमारे लिए हमेशा प्रेरणादायक है। और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि उनकी तरह उन्होंने जो हिंदुइज़्म के लिए जो अच्छी अच्छी बातें उन्होंने जो सोची है, आगे हम भी उसी तरह अच्छी तरह से काम करते रहें, और यही हमारी श्रद्धांजलि है उनके लिए।
My name is Gurumurthy Kalyanaram. I knew Narayan Kataria ji for the last decade. He was a remarkable human being, large-hearted, always giving, selfless, thoughtful. He worked tirelessly for the glory of India, for the cause of India and of all Indians. He was an egalitarian, he was energetic, and he gave much to society, Indian society, here and in India. In his death, we have lost remarkable human being, a human being with a large soul, and human being with compassion, passion, thoughtfulness, always understated, but always energetic and thoughtful. I knew him as a good friend for a very long time, and I heard that he passed away peacefully. He died in the same manner that he lived, at peace with himself and with the world. And to him we say safe journey. Thank you for all that you did, Kataria ji. We are deeply indebted to you. Thank you.
Yes, we are here to say last good words for Mr. Narayan Kataria. I know Narayan Kataria for about 2 decades, and what charmed me with him, the point is that his galvanizing spirit. He was a man perfect for everything, for all human rights. He is the man. Particularly when any Hindu is in problem, anywhere his rights are in question, he is there. And I have not seen actually anyone in New York City who responds to the sufferings of the Hindus anywhere. Whether it is in Kashmir or Bangladesh or Pakistan or maybe in Fiji, his voice is there. And so many, slowly, we actually realized his passion and his total submission to the cause of the Hindus. So whenever there was a problem, he came to the rescue. He had been to the United Nations, protesting in front of the embassies of different countries, and going to the meetings, senators, congressmen, for ameliorating the cause of the Hindus everywhere in the world. And beautiful is the thing that he could talk to the people and make them realize the potency of every individual and get them together to come to a protest or to a meeting all together. In fact, my standing by me is Rathin Chaudhary. He was so moved by him that in this morning he has come to say rights to him. And we met few days, just 3 days before his last departure, on 30th August in the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, when he went there to say in a meeting to the governor of Tripura, Tathagata Roy. That was in 30th October. So that is the thing we met, and on 2nd he was in an interview, and 3rd he was gone. And the most important thing is that in the New York City there is no one to take up the gauntlets from him. And now the Hindu position of that, I hope some leader comes up with that kind of team spirit and that kind of fellow feelings towards all the Hindus. And otherwise the movement for the Hindus, when he started, it was not fashionable even to tell that a Hindu has been killed or raped or murdered or thrown out or cleansed. He was the first one to come and took no.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादस्य महाबाहो उत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ. In Gita it says that a person takes life and death in a cycle. However, the cycle that Narayan Kataria ji has taken is impeccable as well as very difficult path to follow for all of us. He is the only one that I have seen in my 30 years of life in New York who has been fighting for the Hindus. For him, he used to call me sometimes as the soldier of our Hindu army. I'm willing even to accept even a lower position as a pantry person so that I can do something for the Hindus. And may his soul rest in peace. Thank you all very much. And he is a very, very, very great loss to the Hindu community.
Hi, Namaste. I am deeply sorry for the sudden death of Mr. Kataria. And he is my friend. And he helped me in all the possible ways for any movement for the Bangladeshi Hindus and other religious minorities. I just remember that I met him just Saturday. He died before he died, because one of our guests was from India, and we go to his house. I didn't enter his house, but I was under the apartment building, and I just met him maybe 4 or 5 days before he died. Anyway, may Lord Krishna blesses him. But here I will only tell few words about how he helped us for the Bangladeshi Hindus or Bangladeshi religious minorities. As far as I remember, at this time, on 10th April, we had arranged a huge rally in front of City Hall, and in demand of the Diwali holidays and other holidays for the Hindus in New York City schools. And Mr. Narayan Kataria was one of the pioneers of that, and he helped me, and I have some pictures and all these things with him. I was just seeing this morning and I was feeling very bad. I remember that maybe 10th November 2013, we had gone to Washington DC from New York, about 10 buses full of mainly Hindus and other Buddhists of Bangladesh origin. And Mr. Narayan Kataria, along with his friends, was with us all the way. And fortunately, he was in our bus, the bus I was riding. So the whole way, he was. We are just chatting, and I'm saying, as far as I remember, he is helping us last at least 15 years. Because when in Bangladesh, the religious minorities, mainly Hindus were persecuted by Bangladesh government and the militant Islamists. Then Mr. Kataria stand behind us, and I should personally thank him because he always helped me in all the possible ways. And he used to bring all our Indian friends who are not actually involved in Bangladesh theory aspects, but even they extended their hands for our cause and for the Hindus of Bangladesh. Especially at this moment, I remember two very important things. One is 10th April of this year. He was with us in front of the City Hall, raising his voice for the Diwali holidays. And 10th November 2013, when we go to Washington, he was with us, and he helped us in all possible ways. And I remember from 2001 to 2015, he was all the time with us, helping us, the Bangladeshi Hindus and other religious minorities, against the fight against the militant Islamists.
मेरा नाम मोहिंदर वर्मा है। बड़े शौक की बात है कि ट्यूसडे के दिन हमारे नारायण कटारिया जी हम सब लोगों को छोड़ कर चले गए। नारायण कटारिया जी हमारे 35 साल मेरे अच्छे दोस्त थे, और वो जैक्सन हाइट में जब भी आते थे और बड़े ध्यान से कहते थे, वर्मा जी क्या हाल चाल है। और वो कम्युनिटी के इतने बड़े लीडर थे कि जितनी भी मैं उनकी प्रशंसा करूं उतनी ही कम है। और मुझे इतनी खुशी है, इतना दुख हुआ है देख के कि उनकी एज 85 की थी और वो ऐसे लगते थे कि जैसे कि वो 40 साल का लड़का जो है वो भाग रहा है। और उन्होंने जो कुछ किया है हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए, बहुत लोग कम करते हैं, और हम अभी उनसे बोल रहे हैं। और मैं ये कहता हूँ कि परमात्मा उनको अच्छी से अच्छी जगह पे लेके उनका दोबारा जन्म होगा। और जय हिंद। बहुत ही दुख से मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
मेरा नाम शशिकांत पटेल है और मैं कटारिया साहब को इसलिए सलाम करता हूँ कि उसने समाज सेवा की भावना को और बढ़ोतरी दी है। हमारे बृहद न्यूयॉर्क सीनियर्स में 2 महीने पहले वो हमारे गेस्ट थे और मुझे याद है कि उनकी सेवा करने की जो धगस है, और ये 85 उम्र में ये धगस ज़्यादा होती नहीं है लोगों में, लेकिन उनमें थी और उसने काम करके बताया और एक नई दिशा का संपन्न किया। जय हिंद।
My name is Dr. Ila Sukharian. I'm from Staten Island, New York, president of VHPA Staten Island chapter. We know Narayanji for a long time. He's a great leader and he has a unique quality of uniting the people and motivating them to work for a bigger cause of Hindu unity. And we respect, it's a big loss, but we will always remember him for a long time.
My name is Parveen Sharma. I am from Staten Island VHPA chapter. We know the Kataria ji for a long time, and he is really Iron Man, and we call him Lion. And he always talk like a sharp sword. I said that's very good but it's a big loss for our community. We cannot even express our word in saying. So I can say the Astoma Satgamya Tamsoma Jyotirgamya Mrityuma Mradangya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
This is Swami Acharya Abhi Ramanand Abdut from Anand Marga. Anand Marga is running 110 countries around the globe. I just came from India. After 15 days, I just hear his voice, Sri Narayan Kataria ji, and with the Chinese house. And I would like to share something that was outstanding meeting with the phone myself. But only the 7 days before, he spoke with me more than 1.5 hours. He was so excited about so many things, about Hindu, about the globe, about the whole effective agenda has been materialized around the globe about the Hindus. And I spoke with him in the many corner. It might be in the government, it might be in the BJP, Modi, and he himself also. But I was so inspired, his voice of the enthusiasm about the Hindu, and he inspired me his inspirational word that was outstanding in our life. And I never been meet with him in physically. And today I came over here, his departed and divine soul, to pay my respect to him. Just I would convey to society of all the families and divine graceful his presence for the Hindu forever. We like to convey my message by his word to deal each and every moment for the Hindu, by the Hindu, for the Hindu, around the globe to establish the glory of Narayan Kataria ji.
I don't know what to say, but it's a great loss. From childhood I heard that any loss is not permanent, it will be filled up. I wish, but about Mr. Kataria, it will take time and it's very hard to fill it up. Only it can be filled up if we have another Kataria, which is very hard really. As a Hindu community leader, overall community leader, and top of that, as a human beings, he is not replaceable. I get condolence and rest in peace on behalf of Overseas Friend of Bengal. Wherever you are, Mr. Kataria, we'll follow your path and we love you, we respect you. You are always with us. Thank you.
Hi, this is Srinivas Sharma. I know Kataria for the last 30 years because we worked together for 22 years in one of the top 10 law firm of USA. He was very respected person in the whole law firm. Even the chairman of executive committee used to ask him, "Hello boss, how are you?" So we miss him, and I hope will be in peace. Thank you.
I'm Umesh Shukla from New Jersey. I'm very fortunate to have met Narayan Kataria ji at the time of Sonia Gandhi's protest. We had played key role, and that's when I came to know this great personality. He was fearless, courageous, always ready, never tired to work on anything. I remember first time I asked him to come to my home. He drove all the way with his two colleagues from New York, and we really talked about a lot of things, how to keep Hindus united, and he always tirelessly worked for the cause of Hindus, and I'm proud to be have known him as a friend, as a mentor. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vimal Sudhani. I work with the Vishwa Hindu Parishad of America, known to Narayan Kataria ji for the past 32 years. Very closely associated. He was a staunch believer in supporting of Hindutva, and he was trying to say, everyone, we got to do something for Bharat. We just cannot sit idle. We have to keep working. We have to have a lot of energy. So he went around and meeting all the temples, all the Hindu all over the United States, and he used to conduct Hindu Unity Day, and he never forget to call, no matter how far you are, you better attend it and bring all your friends to support our cause of Hindutva. We really pray that his Atma become peace and also will not be forgotten about. We thank you very much.
कटारिया जी से मैं बहुत करीब 15 साल पहले मिली और हमारे आज तक उन्होंने एक भी हमारा प्रोग्राम मिस नहीं किया। हम साधना करते हैं, वैदिक विधियों से 6 घंटे 8 घंटे हमारी पूजा चलती है, और कटारिया जी, साहनी जी और नंद जी बिना हेजिटेशन के और 3 घंटे ड्राइव करके आते थे। एक ही उनका मकसद था कि जो लोग कितने लोगों को वो अपने साथ जोड़ सके, और उनका जोड़ने का मतलब ये नहीं कि उनका कोई निहित स्वार्थ था। अगर स्वार्थ था भी तो सिर्फ एकमात्र ये कि इन लोगों में ये हिंदुत्व की भावना जो है उसको कैसे जगाएं। हिंदुत्व है क्या? ये रिचुअलिस्टिक पूजा से जो हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, सिर्फ स्व तक न रखें। इस बात को कटारिया जी ने ही मुझे सिखाया। उन्होंने कहा, राज्य लक्ष्मी इस तरह लोगों को जोड़ रही हो, बहुत अच्छा है, पर जो हमारे भाई बहन जो झुलस रहे हैं अग्नि में, उनके लिए क्या? जिनके घर जल रहे हैं, क्या उनको बैठा के तुम हवन करा सकती हो? ये बात उन्होंने मुझे 15 साल पहले कही थी, और मुझे तब ये बात समझ नहीं आई थी कि जिसका घर जल रहा हो, जिसकी माँ बहनों पर अत्याचार हो रहा हो, जिसके भाई को बिना वजह कोई ये कहे कि तुम गलत हो, और उसको मैं कहूँ कि आओ मेरे साथ बैठो, मेडिटेशन करो और हवन करो, वो नहीं करेगा। हाँ, ये ज़रूर है कि मेडिटेशन ही उसको ज्ञान देगा, मेडिटेशन ही उसको मलहम लगाएगा, वो हवन ही उसको शांति देगा, पर उस समय, उस क्षण में ये उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा। ये बात मुझे कटारिया जी ने ही समझाई थी, और मुझे ऐसी ये समझ आई उस बात को कि फिर मैं भी उनके साथ चलने लगी। आई विश आई हैड सपोर्टेड हिम मोर।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ये गरुड़ पुराण का पहला मंत्र है, और ये नारायण जी के नाम को ये इससे और कोई ज़्यादा तर्पण नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि सोनिया गांधी के प्रोटेस्ट में नारायण जी, मैं, सत्यपाल दोसापति जी और हमने ये प्रोटेस्ट किया था। तो उसके बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने नारायण जी के और हमारे ऊपर, हम चारों के ऊपर $100 मिलियन का लॉसूट कर दिया। और एक दूसरा लॉ सूट कर दिया न्यू जर्सी में $20 मिलियन का। ये कोशिश की गई थी कि ये हिंदुओं का, हिंदू समाज जो यहाँ संगठन हो रहा है अमेरिका में, उसका गला दबाया जाए 100 मिलियन 20 मिलियन करके। नारायण जी के नेतृत्व और ये सहयोग से उन्होंने जितना हमको सपोर्ट दिया और हम वो दोनों केसेस जीत गए, और ये बहुत बड़ी ऐतिहासिक बात है। ये उनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है, और आई एम सो प्राउड टू हैव मेट हिम, वर्कड विथ हिम, नो हिम, एंड आई गिव हिज एग्जांपल टू माय चिल्ड्रन, and hopefully I will continue to give the message to lot more generations. Finally, I would like to say कि हजारों वर्ष रोती है नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे, हजारों वर्ष रोती है नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे, बड़ी मुद्दत से होता है पैदा चमन में एक दीदावर पैदा।
हाय, मेरा नाम कौशिक पटेल है। मैं संघ से जुड़ा हुआ था वो करीब 25 बरस से, और 99 में अमेरिका में आया। तब से क्या है कि कोई संघ या वीएचपी की प्रवृत्ति में भाग नहीं लेता था, मगर अचानक नरेन कटारिया जी एक दिन मेरे को मिले, और फिर तो और क्या, फिर मैं उनका ही बन के रह गया, क्योंकि उनका जो नेचर था, स्वभाव था उनका, कि गैरों को भी अपना बना लेते हैं वो। जब भी मिलो, छोटा आदमी हो या बड़ा हो, सबको नाम से बुलाते, प्यार से बुलाते थे, और पीठ थपथपाते थे। और उनका वो ये प्यार देख के आप जब भी वो ईमेल भेजते थे तो उनके प्रोग्राम में हम अवश्य जाते थे, चाहे हमारा जितना भी काम हो, वो काम का छोड़ के उनके एक ही बुलावे पे हम जाते थे। तो ये व्यक्तित्व शायद ही कोई और पैदा होगा न्यूयॉर्क में। ये स्वभाव उनका तो बहुत अच्छा था। हम ये जो उनकी गुजर गए, तो उनकी भरपाई करने वाला शायद ही कोई मिले, और मैं तो प्रार्थना करूंगा कि भगवान जल्दी जल्द कोई ऐसा संगठन का आदमी मिले जिससे हमारा काम फिर से शुरू हो जाए। नमस्कार।
शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम। ओम है कर्ता विधाता, ओम पालनहार है।
There's one part of Dada in each and every one of us, so he's not really going anywhere. And I will end with just 4 of Dada's most often spoken words. भारत माता की जय। हरि ओम।